Welcome to English is Easy with RB. Today's word of the day is panache. The stress is on the second syllable, which means the second syllable would sound louder than the first one. Let's have a look at the transcription first. We have the consonant sound p, then the negligible sound shua, then the consonant sound n. After that we have the vowel sound a, and lastly sh. Panache. It means an extremely confident way of doing things that makes people admire you. For example, in the greatest battle of his life, Steve Rogers fought with courage and panache. Then he played the guitar with panache. He dressed with panache. Okay? I hope you got to learn something new. If you have queries, you can always ask me in the comments section. Until next time, this is RB signing off.